Hi everyone, this is Kazi from Agon Studio. In this video, we will see a very simple function or an option in Cornerstone div that is very helpful to create some interesting design elements in the development of a website. So this is called the sticky option of div. So we will see it in action and we will see how it works. So first of all, the example. So if you go to this website, so this is a website we are building. So this is the hero section. If you go to this section, this is coming from the left side. This is the carrier in the right side. So if you go, see this is going with the flow. See this is fixed and sticky with the section. But after that, it's not going out of the section. This is between the section. So this is one example. And another one is this one. If you go, this is another project we did. So if you go to, this is the baked jam field. So if you go scroll, so this image is sticky to the right side. So see, this is full content is going with the content. Then in if you see this one, this is in the left side. See this holding. This is very interesting, and sometimes you can implement this very interestingly. It depends how you want to implement that. So let's see how it's built. So we are not, this is a component. So this is very scattered. We use in this development, we use this section as a component so that we use that in a different section of the website. So div, sticky div is very much straightforward. There is no complex thing. So the thing is that you need to have a column and then a div in between, inside them, and make that there's no option. You don't need the option. You need to, by the way, sorry, you need the option to start. And if you change these options, the column option, the flexible option need to be like that. Otherwise, it will not work perfectly. If we turn it off, it will not work. So this is inside a component. We use the component. Then if you can see, this is a section, and then this is the column, and under the column there is a div. There is no options in here. You have to do regarding the column. There is no options. And under that column we have a div, and we have designed the div according to our need, according to our design requirement. We have added the image. The image is out of the div. The div width is fixed, but the image width is extra long, and you can see there is a background color. Then there is overlay with the color, so there is a pattern on it. Then it's a height, and then there is a like border radius and so on. Okay, so in here there's only two options. We are doing it. See, there is only selected position sticky. That's it. We have selected the position sticky, nothing else. So that means what is doing is touching, is going with the browser. It is with the browser. Browser screen will be like started the screen from here, so it's not touching that. Okay, so now there, so it will have a feelings of animation that stick to the right side of the content and left side of the content. So, and there's interesting options, and that is like top 90 pixel. What is this? Why we use 90 pixel for this section? See, in here there is no gap. There is a small gap of 10 pixel, but in this part there is no gap. But in this design, if you can see, this is center of the screen. It feels like it's center of the screen. So what it means that it will be 90 pixel under the screen. So the screen started from here, and it will be 90 pixel. After that, it will stick. If you get it 100, it will 100. It will 150. It will 150. If you don't use any, it will start from top of this browser. That's it. So this is how the div sticky work. There is nothing complex. You can use a lot of ways, a lot of interesting ways. I have done that in the past. So this is one of the two examples. So hope you like it. Hope you can use it on your development, and let me know if there's some interesting implementation you did in the comment. Thank you.